Hola estudiantes, soy Alan. Hoy día vamos a hacer una lección sobre los adjetivos para describir unos nombres. So today we're going to do adjectives to describe, and I have some guided notes, so make sure you have the guided notes available. And I'm just going to go through this with you, and there's some examples at the end that I'd like you to work on independently after you're done with the filling in the guided notes. Okay? All right, so let's go. Okay, adjectives describe or modify nouns. You can write nouns in the blank. In Spanish, they must match in gender and number. Of the nouns they describe. Singular masculine adjectives often end in O. So for example, hay un cuaderno amarillo. There is a yellow notebook. Singular feminine adjectives often end in A. So for example, hay una blusa amarilla. There is a yellow blouse. Masculine or feminine adjectives can be made plural by adding S. So rojos, rojas. Adjectives that end in E generally have only one singular form, which can be made plural by adding S. So a masculine example is hay un zapato verde. There is a green shoe. And then a feminine version of that, or a feminine sentence would be hay una falda verde. There is a green skirt. And then plural would be hay unos zapatos verdes. There are some green shoes. And then for feminine, hay unas faldas verdes. There are some green skirts. So you notice that verde doesn't change for feminine. Like it's just, it's the same in masculine and feminine. Verdes. Okay, adjectives that end with a consonant usually have only one singular form, which can be made plural by adding es. So the blank should be consonant and es. So some examples: hay un pantalón azul is a masculine singular example. A feminine singular example, hay una camiseta azul. And then to make the hay un pantalón azul plural, you say hay unos pantalones azules. You add es. And then for feminine, hay unas camisetas azules. Again, add es. You don't have to change it for masculine or feminine. Although Spanish adjectives generally follow the nouns they modify, adjectives of quantity, such as dos, tres, and question asking words are exceptions. So that blank should be question asking. They precede their nouns. So for example, tengo dos cuadernos verdes. So dos is the adjective, but it comes before the noun. So I have two green notebooks. You're not going to say tengo dos. You're not going to say tengo cuadernos dos verdes. You're going to say tengo dos cuadernos verdes. And then cuántas sillas hay? How many chairs are there? So again, the cuántas comes before the question word, comes before the noun, not after. Okay, so that's just a basic lesson in adjectives to describe. And the next part you're going to work on individually, independently, to make sentences using the prompts that I gave you. And for a model, if I said the whiteboard is white, I'm going to say la pizarra es blanca. So remember, you're going to a match in gender and number. So pisada is feminine singular. So the adjective is blanca, which is feminine and singular. Okay, so I'm right here if you have any questions, and I'll let you work. Okay, good luck. Buena suerte. Hasta luego. Bye.